In parallelogram KLMN, diagonal KM is drawn. O and P are points on NM segment and KL respectively, and OP segment intersects KM at R. If angle N is, you can write 65 degrees, measure of angle N, KM is 75 degrees, and measure of angle P, R, K is 25 degrees. What is the measure of angle R, P, L? We have to find this angle. This is our unknown. So first, we have here triangle. And we know that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can calculate this angle. Measure of angle KM, we can write ON, is equal 180 degrees minus 75 degrees minus 65 degrees. We have these two angles. When we subtract from 180 degrees, we will have that angle. So this is equal 40 degrees. So we have now this angle is 40 degrees because these two angles are vertical angles. So here we have also 25 degrees. We can write that measure of angle P, R, K is equal to measure of angle M, R, O, and is equal 25 degrees because these two angles are vertical angles. We have here triangle, and like I said, measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So when we subtract this angle and that, we will have this angle. So we can write that measure of angle MOR is equal 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 25 degrees. So this is equal 115 degrees because interior angles of triangle. So we got this angle, this is 115 degrees. And because we have here parallelogram, the line MN is parallel to KL and diagonal KM is like transversal to these two parallel sides. So the two angles, alternate interior angles, are congruent. So we can write that measure of angle KPR is equal to measure of angle MOR, and this is equal 115 degrees because we have here alternate interior angles. And until the interior angles are congruent. When we have two parallel sides cut by transversal, then two alternate interior angles are congruent. So here we have also 150 degrees. And what we have here, the angle which we have to calculate. And we have two supplementary angles. So measure of angle RPL, what will be 180 degrees minus 115. So this is equal 65 degrees. Why? Because we have here supplementary angles. So this is my solution.